Walk your feet back until your fingertips graze your heels. Inhale, press into your feet and lift your hips all the way up. Check that your knees point straight ahead and do not roll out to the sides or in towards each other. Push up to your edge and take smooth and even breaths at the top of the pose. If you want to go deeper, you can roll your shoulders underneath you, interlace your fingers, straighten your arms, and press your little fingers into the mat. Take deep breaths at the top of the pose, deepening your back bend with every breath. Last breath in, lift your hips. Exhale, release your arms out from under you and lower slowly back down to the mat. Bring one hand to your belly and one hand to your chest. Walk your feet to the edges of the mat and drop both knees to the right and the left. Windscreen wiping your knees a few times to release your lower back. Bring your knees back to center.